Hello, friend. Welcome back. Today, let's talk about finding God in everyday life. Finding God in everyday life. Hmm. Sometimes we think God is only in the church or in heaven, far away. But I believe He is very close in the small things we often forget, right? Hmm. Look at nature. Sunrise, the rain, the stars at night. All of this is God's creation. Like sunrise, the rain, the stars at night. Yeah, it's God's creation. Let's have a look in the Bible. I'm go with Psalms 19. Here, I'm go to Bible Getaway. Yeah, here, look at this command from the Bible. Psalm 19 says, "The heavens declare the glory of God." The heavens declare the heavens declare the glory of God. The skies proclaim the work of his hands. All right. When you see the beauty of the world, you are seeing a message from God, right? The passage from Psalm 19 suggests us that nature itself is, is a form is a form of communication from God. The world around us, the sunrise, the rain, and the stars at night, is not just a random collection of things, it's a testament to a greater creator from God. When we take time to observe the beauty and order of nature, we are, in a way, reading a divine message. The vastness of the heavens, the intricate detail of a flower, or the power of a storm all point to a search beyond ourselves. This perspective encourages us to see the natural world not just as a backdrop to our life, but as a living reminder of God's power and presence. Yeah. It's a simple, universal way to feel connected to the divine. Take a look. Look at people. A smile from a stranger, a kind word from a friend, or a helping hand from family. This is also God working through us, right? Jesus said, "Whatever you did for the less of this, you did for me." Acts of kindness or small windows to God's love. Even in struggles, we can find Him. Maybe when you were sad, maybe when you were sad, someone came to help you, or maybe you found strength you didn't know you had. That moment is not just chance, it can be God showing you He is with you, right? Imagine, imagine this, guys. Imagine a man like John or whatever. John lost his job. He felt completely hopeless, right? He felt completely hopeless, right? He prayed to God, but nothing changed right away. A week later, a week later, his old college roommate, whom he hadn't spoken to in years, unexpectedly called and offered him a temporary project. The project was small, but it gave him enough money to pay his rent and enough hope to keep searching. Hmm. It's God work in his hand, right? This small act of kindness were more than just luck for John. It was a lifeline that appeared when we need it most. He realized that God didn't magically restore his job, but instead sent a friend to provide a way forward. That moment saw him that even in his lowest point, he wasn't alone. He had a search of support he hadn't even considered. The secret is to notice, to slow down and pay attention. Gratitude is the key. When we thank God for small things, I think our eyes open to His presence everywhere, guys. So I ask you, where do you feel God in your life? Is it in nature, in people, or in the middle of struggles? Share in the comments, guys. I love to hear your experience. Remember, God is not only in big miracles, He is in the little blessings every day. It's a wrap. Bye, guys.